Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Azman from the Department of Pharmacology, Faculty of Medicine, UKM. And the topic of my presentation is the effect of administration of equal doses of dietary chemicals, which are sulforaphane, curcumin, quercetin, butylated hydroxyanisole or BHA, and indole 3-carbinol (ITC) on body weight and food consumption in mice. Now, several dietary compounds are recognized as potential agents that interfere with disease process. Certain vegetables and fruits are known to be protective against disease, as they contain phytochemicals such as sulforaphane, curcumin, quercetin, and indole 3-carbinol. Studies had indicated that certain intakes of fruits can regulate body weight. Apart from phytochemicals found in plants, a chemical that I use is another chemical that I use is a synthetic antioxidant, which is butylated hydroxyanisole (BHA). Because studies has found that BHA can also has effect on weight in animal studies. Okay. However, no studies have been done to see the effect of equal doses of sulforaphane, curcumin, quercetin, DHA, and ITC on body weight and food consumption. Therefore, the objective of the study is to determine the effect of equal doses, 50 milligrams per kilograms of sulforaphane, curcumin, quercetin, and DHA and ITC on body weight and food consumption in adult mice, adult male ICR white mice. Now we go to the methodology. Okay, adult male ICR white mice were divided into six groups with 6 mice each. The groups are control group, the sulforaphane group, the curcumin group, the quercetin group, the indole 3-carbinol group. Okay, and the BHA group. Control group were only given distilled water intraperitoneally, while the treatment groups were treated with the chemicals I've mentioned just now, which were delivered intraperitoneally (IP) and all treatment lasts 14 days. Okay, mice were fed with commercial red chow from goat loin and given tap water at baby term. The body weight of each mice and the body weight of each mice recorded at day 1, day 5, day 10, and day 14 after the start of experiment. And the percentage of body weight gain or loss is calculated as the formula shown in the poster. And then food intake was measured daily. And the daily food consumption of food was calculated by subtracting what was offered from what remained after 24 hours. And data were analyzed by SPSS, and P less than 0.05 were considered significant. Okay. So results, table 1 showed body weight in control and experimental mice. You can see that body weight increased after 40 days for all groups. And then for table 2, the effect of dietary chemicals on body weight gain and percentage of body weight gain are discussed on this later. And table 3 is the mean daily food intakes of all groups. Okay, for the discussion, an overall weight gain in mice was observed in the control and treatment groups after 14 days. However, the percentage of body weight gain was significantly less in the treatment groups. The sulforaphane treatment produces the least percentage of body weight gain, followed by the treatment of quercetin, BHA, ITC, and curcumin. Except for BHA, treatment with the dietary chemicals resulted in significantly less food intake. Quercetin treatment resulted in the least food intake, followed by sulforaphane treatment, ITC treatment, and curcumin treatment. In conclusion, at a dose of 50 milligrams per kilograms body weight for 14 days, intraperitoneal administration of dietary chemicals, sulforaphane, curcumin, quercetin, BHA, and ITC significantly affect body weight and food intake in the adult male ICR white mice. Morphologically, all our dietary chemicals treated mice seem as healthy as control mice. Further studies are required to establish whether the combination of 2 or more phytochemicals given together will have a greater impact on body weight and food intake in mice. And whether these results could be extrapolated to humans. Thank you very much for your time listening to my talk.